What are the latest real-time job cuts reported by the 2026 Layoff Tracker? The newest data reveals surprising trends about which industries and companies are shrinking right now. The 2026 Layoff Tracker shows that over 150,000 jobs have been eliminated this year alone. This number updates in real time as companies publicly announce their workforce reductions. The tracker pulls data from multiple sources, including official statements, news reports, and government filings. This allows you to see exactly how layoffs are impacting the job market right now. While tech companies continue to dominate the layoffs with major reductions in software and hardware sectors, retail businesses are also seeing significant job losses due to changing consumer habits. Interestingly, finance and manufacturing sectors have reported unexpected job cuts too this year, reflecting economic shifts and automation impacts. These trends indicate an evolving job landscape you need to watch closely. The main reasons behind these layoffs include increased automation replacing human labor, shifting economic conditions causing companies to tighten budgets, and strategic restructuring to stay competitive. Many firms are streamlining operations, focusing on new technologies, or responding to market pressures. Understanding these causes can help you anticipate future job market changes and prepare accordingly. With layoffs hitting many sectors, staying informed about these real-time changes is crucial. You can use this data to guide your career decisions, seek emerging opportunities, or reskill in growth areas. The 2026 Layoff Tracker acts as a valuable tool to detect shifts early and help you survive and thrive in a changing employment landscape. The 2026 Layoff Tracker offers a live window into job market upheavals you need to understand. By watching these real-time trends and adapting your skills, you can stay ahead of economic shifts. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and keep your career future-proof.